Be strong.
Right, sir. Yes, Navarita.
Yes, and learning in your job is very much important, especially in today's scenario when the world is so volatile. Everything is changing at a very rapid pace. So learning is very important. So in to the today's youth, what you will be suggesting, what type of skills they must upgrade themselves to be good?
It's, yes, I think Navarita went off the. On Navarita, your audio is not working. So, what is exactly I think Navarita is trying to say, Ashok sir, is that what are the skills that a candidate should carry with himself, apart from his degrees and all, to get selected in a job? What are those skills?
In my opinion, if I am an interviewer, then
exactly
the first 1 minute or 30 seconds, I look on their face, and that face or the body gesture make me understand that how much the candidate can be selected or not. So when any person, any candidate is going for interview, there are some criteria that candidate should look honest, look dedicated, look hardworking. Of course, because that hard work or other things can be displayed only after getting recruited. But interviewers should be impressed that the person is not arrogant, the candidate is humble, the candidate is hardworking, and candidate has a smiling face, not very nervous. So at the time of interview, this is the first instance. Now, second part is that whatever you are telling about yourself, that should be honest telling. That whatever you have done, if you have done any mistake, you cannot tell, but once it is needed to be disclosed, you can disclose. Otherwise, what is your strength? But that should be displayed, but that should be perfectly told to the interviewer.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
The communication process, as you have said, right, sir?
Yeah.
Correct.
So communication is very much important.
Because communication not only in way of what you are telling, communication in way of your body language also.
How you are telling.
Yeah, how you are telling. What is the body posture of yours?
Correct.
Yes, sir.
Very right, sir. Very right, sir. Sir, I would like to ask you today, if you go to the YouTube channels and many other channels, we find there are a lot of soft skills everywhere, which was not there, to be very honest. But what do you think actually, in actuality, how do you think, what is the importance of soft skills? What is the percentage you will give, the weightage that you will give for soft skills?
In my opinion, because I am in the skill sector for 20 years and vocational training and skill sector, where the candidates, the profile, the candidates are coming in from low profiles. Either they have left the education after 10th, after 12th, and searching for a job. They have not good money to do ITI or IIT or other education. So in skilling, we are dealing with those candidates.
Okay.
Even for other candidate also, the main criteria for doing the job or entering into a corporate house or corporate world, 60% is the domain part, that's a technical part, and 40% is the soft skill part. if you think that I am a good technical person, but my behavior is very rude, you are not a very good manpower for a company. So for a person, balanced person who can grow fast, 60% should be domain, that means technical part, and 40% must have soft skill part. How to communicate, how to work as a team, how to respond. These are the part of soft skill.
Yes,
Right, sir.
very true, sir. And sir, when do you think a person fails to perform, sir?
Sometimes because I handled many persons, many different kind of person. I worked in Kolkata, I worked in Jaipur, I worked in Punjab, I worked in Delhi, and different region I worked, and different kind of person I worked with. So non-performance has different causes. If a person having experience of 5 years, and even after that he is not performing, that means he or she needs some mentoring. He or she has some prefix things that I have not to work hard. If a person having experience of 1 year not able to perform, then we can understand that he or she needs some guideline or guidance so that they can give their full potential. So depends on the non-performance of an experienced person or non-experienced person. For a fresher, if he is not able to perform, that means that person, that candidate need to be taken care by the their leader to give a guidance. For a person having good experience, but even after that he is not able to perform, that means there is some problems in their etiquette or work planning or attitude.
Nicely explained, sir.
So, Ashok sir, just I would like to ask you three very important quotations that you believe, a quotation that you follow.
Okay, that means whatever I follow, right?
Yeah, a quotation that you follow, exactly.
Okay. For being a asset for a company, or for being a principal person, every person should have some principle.
Right.
Like I should be honest on financial part, honest on my duty, honest on my designation, honest on my honest with my members, and honest with as personal things, honest with my family. So in every relation, if you are honest, that means if you are honest, then of course you will be honest in every relation. So honesty is very essential for a person who want, of course, as a honesty I can suffer a lot, but I am very satisfied that I am honest on my duty, on my family things, on my other things, so that I could not cheat anyone. First thing. Yes. Second part, to grow, of course, you have to learn every time. Learn not only from yourself or from your profile, learn from members also. Right. Because then as a leader, if you are handling a team in Kolkata, and now you have started to handle a team in Delhi, of course, team will change. So psychology of that team also will change. So if you are able to read the psychology of your members or a person or a human being, then any kind of person you can handle. But if you have made the team in such a manner that the person should always tell, sir is very good, in that means that is called paplu. If you are surrounded with your paplu, then you will never grow, and under you, no any person will grow.
Nice.
And at the
Okay.
time of your non-performance, leader non-performance, that Paplu will be, that means suffered, because the leader, what leader will do, due to that person, I could not able to perform, so better to remove that person.
Yes.
So as a leader, I am always a mentor as well as to take the risk of quality person, not a Paplu person.
Okay. Noted.
Absolutely.
Okay. Okay. Yes, sir.
Sir, I believe that the life has ups and downs. You also may have faced some kind of setbacks and disagreements with your team member or your boss or in family every time. So how do you handle all these things, sir? And your position is, I think, sometime it will be in a much more extent level will be more. So how do you control or how do you manage all those situations?
If I remember myself, when I started as a leader in 2003 or 4, and when I am a leader in 2021, lots of difference I have. Why that difference came arise? Because when I am handling different kind of person of different location and different kind of that means calibers, then of course I have to learn on every phase that how a calibered person or how an intelligent person should be controlled or should be well performed. Because a person who is very learned, also he or she has ego problem.
Right.
So that ego more arises when you are a learned person. So in that case, if you are dealing with a person who is learned, so of course you have to deal in that way so that that ego should not be hurted and you can work as a leader.
Yes.
So for working as a leader, during ups and downs, you have to be cool. You have to faith on your member and you have make them trust that I am for you. I am for the organization. I will never harm you.
Yes, sir.
So in that way, you can face any kind of challenge. The manpower management is a very tough thing for a leader.
Yes.
And always take risk to manage the people, only then you can grow. If you are handling only machine, then it's very easy. But if you are handling a manpower, it's very tough. That's why a person working on a computer is getting 15,000. A person working with people is getting 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 3 lakh. Why? Because that person have to manage the work as well as the person also.
Yes, sir. True, very
sir.
true, sir.
Okay, sir. So it's a lot of learning from you, Ashok sir. We really
Thanks a
learned a
lot.
lot of important things from you. And once again, to be very honest, the way you have explained each point and the way you have supported, defended them with certain areas of illustration, so that is really great. I think that your viewers will really learn a lot from you. And definitely, sir, I thank you a lot for taking this time and being with us for the channel Phoenix. And I hope in the time again, whenever required, I hope if I, and thank you, Navonita, for being supportive to me and being with me and slogging out for this entire session. So
Thanks
first
a lot.
of all,
Thanks a lot.
It's an honor, sir, to be with you and to be with sir. Thank you so
Thank you.
much.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Thanks a lot.